Satish Kumar here. Welcome to this video on tips, tricks in Microsoft Excel. In this video, we are going to see how to protect your formula. Let us take this sheet. In this sheet, we have some columns, sales ID and other things. Let us go to the last column where we have some formula. Correct? I have written some formula. The simple formula. Assume that we have a very big formula. It's a very important formula. I don't want others to edit the formula. I don't want even others to see my formula also. How to protect this formula? So first of all, select the column where we have written the formula. Control Shift down arrow, select the data. Control Shift down arrow, and you can press right click and you can go to Format Cells, or else Control 1, the shortcut key for Format Cells. When you go to Control 1 Format Cells, you can go to the last tab called as Protection. That is the last 4 means alignment font. We will go to the last tab, Protection. Under the Protection, we have seen about the hidden. There is an option called as hidden. Locked, we have seen it in the another video how to protect a particular area. That we have seen about the locked. Now let us select the hidden. I selected hidden and say OK. That's it, but nothing has happened here. You cannot see any changes on the screen. Then go to the tab called as Review. If you go to the tab of Review, under the tab of Review, you can see the product sheet is available. Click on the product sheet. Go to the tab of Review, click on product sheet. So I click on product sheet. There is 2 options available. Select locked cell, unlocked cell. That means the cells are locked, right? They don't want to select the locked cells also. Entire thing is what they cannot select it. If you don't want the user to select the locked cell also, you can uncheck this. But I can select the cells, but I cannot see the formula, right? So let me select this. So they can select the cell, but they cannot see the formula. Now let me give a password, and then giving a password. Okay. Repeat the password. Okay. Yes. Now you can see when I place the cursor here, the formula is not shown. Your formula is protected. Even if you are trying to edit it, I am trying to edit this, which is not possible. It says it's protected. So this is how you can protect a very important formulas and functions. So I will share this workbook on the description. You can download it and use it for your practice also. If you have any other queries, doubts and questions, you can put it onto the comment. I will try to put a separate video for that also. Thanks for watching the video. Meet you in the next video.